Hi guys, how are you? After the last heavy episode, we are back.
Karan
with
has snapped out of it.
Yes, I have snapped out of it. Yes. So, हमारे जो रायते फैले और पैसे पैसे दे रही है क्या तू?
आज तक यही करता है करण, हमसे सिर्फ पैसे मांगे ही जा रहे, मांगे ही जा रहे, मांगे ही जा रहे, खत्म ही नहीं होता यार.
Okay.
There is a running joke, between me and my friends that Karan नहीं है, Karan एक कुआं है. Like you will never see the end of the bottom of him. You will just keep taking and taking and मतलब कुआं तो फिर भी पानी देता है.
Yeah.
मैं तो कुएं में डाल. नेकी कर कुएं में डाल.
ये नकली है, कुछ भी बोल रही है. I invest a lot. मैं चेंज हो चुका हूँ. No, nowadays I'm.
Now it is on recording, guys. That
Yeah.
Karan ने बोला है वो change हो चुका है.
Yes, I have changed. Anyway, so let's get back to
So,
what we always do. Wait, I just want to thank our audience. Thank you guys for listening to us, and I hope you are loving the drama that we have created and what we have gone through and the funny moments of our life lessons, learnings, lemons you call. मतलब एक चीज तो पक्का है हमारी लाइफ स्टोरी में, दैट की बॉस हमने रायते फैले, रायता खुद ही समेटा है और फिर खाया भी है. लेट मी पुट इट दिस वे.
I thought you were going to say कि हमने बहुत भर के लेमनेड बनाया है
let's
और
put
उसमें
it
थोड़ा
that.
टकीला भी मिलाया है और बहुत दारू पिया है.
Yes, तकीला से मुझे एक चीज याद आई, that we went to Goa right after whatever happened. Guys, so what happened was that after the financial intimacy that happened and the discussion happened that we were saving some money, and after every month the salary used to come, and the EMIs used to get deducted, and my Marwadi loan which I had taken, I was saving some money, and I was like, sure, let's go to Goa.
Basically,
And-
it was a fruitful discussion that I was able to make Karan see that we can have money for ourselves also.
Yeah, so one big thing that happened after the financial intimacy and the discussion that happened is that I started saving a bit of money, and I started
And we planned
spending on myself and then ourselves also.
Yeah, and we planned our first vacation ever, which my family doesn't know about.
Yeah, they'll come to know.
That okay guys, मैं ना नहीं गई थी. मैं शादी के बाद ही गई थी घूमने, ठीक है? Okay. ऐसे करके like we just like brush it under the carpet.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that हम ये बताएंगे नहीं अभी भी.
No, let's go. So I think what happened, and the trip was very, very good. I still
So it
remember
was the
those.
first time that I had taken, मतलब बचपन से मुझे ना स्कूल ट्रिप पे भी जाना अलाउड नहीं था. मतलब भूल जाओ कि कॉलेज में सारे लोग जब बंक मार के अगर कहीं खाना भी खाने जाते थे ना, तो मैं अपने पार्ट टाइम जॉब पे चली जाती थी. मैं किसी के साथ कहीं पे भी ऐसे ट्रिप पे नहीं गई थी. ओके, आई वाज रियली अ गुड गर्ल. सो इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम. और बचपन में हम गोवा गए थे, मतलब एज अ फैमिली ट्रिप, लाइक माय नाना नानी पापा मम्मी मैं और माय सिस्टर. सो हम लोग गए थे गोवा जब आई वाज 7 or 8 years old. Is the time that I had experienced Goa.
Yeah.
And this was the first time that Karan said that why don't we go for a vacation, because now I'm saving money and you also have same money, so
Let's go.
Let's go. And it was a huge moral dilemma for me. Firstly, the good girl inside me was like, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ शादी के पहले मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. But then Karan was like, hey चलना, what are you doing? This is Karan's signature thing, guys, like hey चलना.
चलना
And
पका
when-
मत यार, चल.
हाँ, when he does that, I have to just surrender कि ये नहीं मानने वाला है. So he said कि let's go to Goa, and I was very nervous, but I was like okay fine. Like it's a different thing when you are in the house with your roommate, and मतलब रोशनी and सुयश होते थे हमेशा, and
Yeah.
हम लोग होते थे, and it was never like a third place where exotic place जहाँ पर तुम अकेले हो करण के साथ. And it was our first vacation, and वहाँ पे करण
First vacation alone.
alone.
Yeah.
हाँ, मतलब my तो obviously first
Yeah.
ever
Yeah.
vacation in adulthood. I was 26 at that point of time.
Yeah.
So हमने गोवा ट्रिप प्लान किया था, और I would just like to like rub it in all the audience's faces that ये जो इतने memes और इतना सब problem चलता रहता है ना कि सारे दोस्त लोग आपस में बात करते हैं कि अरे चल ना गोवा ट्रिप मार के आते, गोवा ट्रिप मार के आते, लेकिन वो गोवा ट्रिप कभी होता नहीं है बिकॉज nobody ever shows up. बट हमने वो गोवा ट्रिप कर लिया था गाइस. सो इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई एवर वेंट ऑन अ ट्रिप अलोन विद द गाय.
मैंने तेरे साथ कुछ किया नहीं था, तो ऐसे बोल रही जैसे मैंने तेरे साथ बलात्कार किया. सारा चमत्कार था वो. ट्रिप पूरी चमत्कार थी.
इतना चमत्कार था. ओ गॉड, लाइक आई कैन नॉट बिलीव इट स्टिल. एंड इट वाज सो मच, it was such an eye-opening trip for me, guys. I was really this closed up person before Karan came into my life, that I had not even taken a trip with my school people. Like हमने कभी कोई friends के साथ तो भूल ही जाओ. मतलब ऐसी कोई official trip भी नहीं करी थी by myself. I did not used to go to watch movies up until college. मतलब college में भी मुझे मना था कि दोस्तों के साथ पिक्चर देखने नहीं जाना है, कॉलेज जाना है, पढ़ाई करने जाना है, वापस आ जाना है घर पे. एंड आई वॉज आयरॉनिकली अलाउड टू हैव अ पार्ट टाइम जॉब, बट तुम पिक्चर देखने नहीं जा सकते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ. तुमको जाना है तो हमको बोलो, मम्मी पापा लेके जाएंगे.
I will say something right now, Shoki, तू गांव से है कि नहीं? She will kill me for that.
मैं ना गांव से आके तेरी लाइफ सुधारी, ठीक है करण. औकात में रहो तुम. खुद कैंप से आए थे, ठीक है, रेफ्यूजी. सो लाइक डोंट मुंह मत खुलवाओ तुम मेरा, ठीक है. घर चलो बताती हूँ.
Okay, go ahead guys, go ahead. Yeah.
So after which we were in Goa. It was the first time that Karan was really like opening my eyes to the beauty of Goa, to the fun of Goa, and we took a Activa.
Yeah.
And we were staying at one of those beachside shacks.
Yeah.
And which was the most beautiful thing, that you could just wake up to the sun and the sea all the time, and you could sleep to the sound of relaxing, calming sound of waves.
And then in the night there was beautiful moon.
Yeah, it was, and we were lucky enough to catch a full moon.
Yeah.
So it was so beautiful.
Yeah.
And oh, you remember, even in that full moon night, we were sitting with beers on the beach.
Yeah.
But not at a shack.
Yeah.
Because it was cheaper.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग लिटरली होटल से टावल चुरा के और चले जाते थे बीच पे, और टावल लगा के उस पे बैठ के और फिर बियर पी लेते. We didn't have to go to the shack क्योंकि वहाँ पे तो महंगा मिलता था. So we were really being like very chindi in the trip. Yeah. And yet making it work, living life to the fullest. कि Karan used to make me these amazing cocktails in a Bisleri bottle.
So what we used to do is that we used to go to any of the stores, and we used to have an Activa, and I as you guys know that I am a very good cocktail maker. So मैंने क्या किया, मैंने बोला so let's go and to any shop buy a whiskey, and हमने whiskey उठाई. एंड एज उसके बाद हम घर आए, हमने बहुत सारे नींबू खरीदे. चाकू खरीदा था.
वही डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर से हमने विस्की ली, चाकू लिया, नींबू लिए. लाइक द शॉपकीपर वाज गोइंग लाइक करना क्या चाहते हैं.
एंड देन वी वेंट टू द होटल, सॉरी शैक, एंड हमने वहाँ पे मस्त काटा पीटा सब कुछ किया.
और काटने के लिए भी हमने क्योंकि हमारे पास लेमन स्क्वीजर नहीं था, राइट. तो हमने संजीव कपूर का वीडियो देखा कि नींबू को बिना बीच के कैसे काटते हैं.
So that was fun. That those are the memories that we did, and then we squeezed out some lemon from our lives. We wanted to squeeze, and then this was like something that squeezing out real lemons and then putting some lemon juice in the whiskey, pouring some soda in it. It was like the best whiskey sour, though it was without the egg. But
and it was not in a glass, it was in a Bisleri bottle.
Correct. And we used to roam around full day.
वो बॉटल जाती थी एक्टिवा की डिक्की में, और हम घूमते रहते थे. और देन आफ्टर सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमको पैसे नहीं देने होते थे शैक पे. तो हम वो बिस्लरी की बॉटल से
दारू पी लेते थे. and that was the fun time that we had. And we were staying in South Goa, Palolem, and this
and it was beautiful.
The shack name was Bridges and Tunnel. It was I think one of the best shacks at that point
because
of
it was at like a corner. So it was not crowded, and it was sort of like cut off from the main beach.
Yeah.
So we had that part of the sea to ourselves. Like
Yeah.
I had never imagined that 1,000 रुपए के शैक में आपको प्राइवेट बीच मिलेगा.
Yeah, we used to take a dip and we really enjoyed those times in our lives.
Yeah, it
And-
was also the time, guys, that I had my first ever tequila shot
Yeah,
of my life.
yeah. So one of the clubs, I don't remember which club it was.
Correct, and also the first time I went to a club.
Yeah. Can you imagine that मैं इसको club लेकर गया and she
मतलब
was-
ये भाई साहब यहाँ डीजे बैठे हैं. He used to be a DJ
Yeah.
for a long time in his life,
Yeah.
and I had never been to a club, even though I had spent 6 years in Mumbai by then.
Contrast. Yes, that's the contrast in our lives till today. Yeah,
So Karan was-
she's an introvert and I'm an extrovert, by the way, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was the beauty of our Goa trip. We saved some money. We went to Goa. We did some masti. We enjoyed a life and created some memory. And cut to 26th. So do you remember that day?
Karan, do you remember that day?
After that, after we came from Goa, I think a month or two back, we were having our regular dates. And with that date show, I remember one day, you know, when we were sitting in CCD, which was
Or-
next to your
or-
LNT house. Do you remember that day, which was?
Yes, Karan, I remember. I was very loaded.
Yeah.
Like if I was a gun, I was fully loaded that day.
Yeah.
Because I was waiting कि करण आए मेरे सामने और मैं उसको literally ऐसे आँखियों से गोली मारूं कि याद है तुम्हें आज क्या है या आज क्या हो सकता था.
Yes, yes.
Because and then Karan also came with the same loadedness. Okay, Karan is also like कि तुम्हें याद है.
Hmm.
It was full like हम दोनों एक दूसरे को टशन दिए जा रहे हैं. But let me break the suspense. वो डेट थी 26 नवंबर 2015 जिस दिन हमारी शादी होनी थी.
Yeah, जिस
और
दिन-
हम रायते समेट के just about जिंदगी में नॉर्मल होना चालू हुए थे.
Yeah, yeah.
और उस दिन हम लोग ने बहुत दर्द भरी कॉफी पी थी कि हम बात भी करना चाहते हैं इस बारे में कि हम ऑफिशियली इस दिन यू नो वी कुड हैव बीन मैरिड,
Married, yeah.
बट हम बात नहीं भी करना चाहते बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू दैट होल
Yeah.
सिचुएशन.
It was this whole undercurrent which was playing in both of us that you know शो
Full
तेरी
ऐसे
मैं
loaded
तो ऐसा
बैठे थे
था
हम लोग.
कि शो तेरी वजह से शादी टूटी है and शो was like कि तेरी वजह से शादी टूटी है and you know
आर यू सीरियसली सेइंग इट स्टिल मेरी वजह से शादी गॉटचा.
yeah, so that was the time and we discussed about our marriage and we were like कि यार क्या हो सकता है and I was you know in थोड़ा सा ऐसा मेरे दिल में था कि यार मैं इसको फिर से पूछूं क्या शादी के लिए. अभी थोड़ी चीजें नॉर्मल हो चुकी है, करता हूँ मैं कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बातचीत करता हूँ and I was on the you know zone that कि यार ठीक है अब लड़की घूमने भी चल रही है, वेकेशन भी हो गई, मैं थोड़ा ठीक हो गया, पैसे भी कर ली, फाइनेंशियल इंटीमेसी भी हो गई, बट यू नो I was not able to kind of get everything right and you know after that मैंने उसको कुछ पूछा नहीं उस समय, मैंने ऐसी छोड़ दी बस.
I was being fully cold. I did not want to discuss marriage or shadi or anything at all like
Yeah,
that. I
yeah.
just wanted to be like कि हाँ इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह.
Yeah.
And actually from there onwards I remember that हम लोग हमारी लाइफ में ना बहुत डिनाइल में थे उस साल.
Yeah.
हमने जितनी पार्टियां करी है, हमने जितनी like दारू पी है,
Yeah.
we were just doing anything to not remember the raita that had happened, and in a way it was good.
Yeah, in a way,
That-
but you know what happened after that? After when we discussed, I think we went to Mahabalipuram, no Chennai, to for shadi.
Gayatri's
Gayatri
wedding.
and Tausif's wedding. correct?
Gayatri, remember guys, the one who had played Cupid between me and Karan?
Yeah.
She was finally getting married after
Yeah.
10 years of she will be one of our most awaited persons on this podcast when we start meeting people.
Yeah.
She was she was finally getting married after 10 years of wait
Yeah.
between her and Tausif because it was an interfaith marriage,
Yeah.
and parents were not agreeing and they were hell bent on not doing it any other way but through the right way, telling parents and making them agree, and came together in love and happiness.
Yeah.
So we had gone to Chennai. In that wedding is when Karan and I had this amazing trip to Mahabalipuram. We went there to see the sunrise. We woke up at 4:30 in the morning.
Yeah. We took the bike on the rent. We took an Enfield 300 or 350
Royal Enfield,
cc, and it was the best ride ever that can happen, and one should actually try going from Chennai to Mahabalipuram.
by road.
That's the best sunrise that you can
Yeah, it was
ever see,
beautiful.
ever. That's the
It was
beautiful sunrise that you can see. So that was the time that we went, and guys remember, हम लोगों के टाइम पे हम लोग ने फिल्टर कॉफी नहीं पी वहाँ पे पूरी ट्रिप में. So that was a
हाँ
stretch of
यार,
around
it was really stupid.
250 kilometers of a
हाँ,
stretch. and
everywhere we are getting chai. We were not getting
Getting
filter coffee.
coffee.
हम थक गए थे, मतलब महाबलीपुरम में filter coffee नहीं मिली.
Yeah. And that was the time when, you know, kind of discussion started happening with marriage again with Shoki, and Shoki was in complete denial. मैंने बोला Shoki, do you want to? Because it was that whole time when Gayatri and Tausif were getting married, and
And we were to, like, we took part in these couple activities
Yeah.
in their wedding, and it was such a fun sangeet. And
Yeah.
you know, Gayatri's sister was very sly. She knew कि ये दोनों का ऐसा almost शादी वाली बात चल रही है, तो she gave us, like, she made us win a particular वो paper dance.
paper dance.
हाँ,
Yeah.
and Karan was like picking me up. It was quite a romantic thing. कि Karan was picking me up in his arms, and we won the paper dance. So she gave us this really cute mug,
Yeah.
which was like our first couple's gift that
Couple's
we got.
gift that we got.
We won, not
Yeah,
got also. We won.
We won.
So you know, that whole thing was कि शादी का माहौल है और दोस्त लोग हैं और उन लोगों ने इतनी स्ट्रगल के बाद शादी की है. So like it's a big example in front of us कि हम तो एक टुच्ची सी 1 साल की स्ट्रगल में हम लोग रो दिए, वो लोग 10 साल से सेम स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. फाइनली उनकी शादी हो रही है.
Yeah.
So we were like both feeling those undercurrents and mixed things, but I was just not ready to talk about it because
Yeah.
I could still see that the things are not really completely okay.
Yeah.
And in my mind it had been more than, not in my mind, like in general it had been more than 6 months that mom and I had not spoken.
Yeah.
And the misunderstandings had not been cleared
Cleared.
at all.
Yeah.
And now I felt like enough time had passed that I don't want to take it up
Correct.
again,
Correct.
or I don't want to reinitiate any conversation at
Yeah.
all, or a relationship, because I was really holding on to the hurt that I really thought of her as my mom.
Yeah, I remember that, you know, part where things were not up, not right, and you know, things were not. But somewhere down the line, I was feeling that things will be fine, and I really wanted to, you know, figure out where you were saying that, you know, things will not work out and things are not right. And I was of that opinion that my mother will understand, things will be okay. You know, let me talk to her, let me understand, you know, what are the differences between, you know, Shoki and my mother. And I was just juggling between both the things, and at the same time I was quite hopeful
That everything will work out
be
this time
this time around.
around. And I was just not ready. Because I was realizing that बहुत अच्छा हुआ that I called off the wedding,
Yeah.
because we did not know so much about each other.
Correct.
That it was the first time we were actually taking a vacation together, getting to know each other. How, like, जब आप किसी के साथ रहते हो day in and day out on a vacation, also you realize that what kind of a person is that, is he a neat person, neat and clean person,
Yeah.
or not, or are you both lazy,
Correct.
or is one of you lazy? How, like, I have always been this regimented person that सुबह उठो और brush किए बिना तुम कुछ खा पी नहीं सकते हो. So you know, it was my worst nightmare to think कि कोई बिना brush किए कुछ खा लेगा क्या. But I was very, like, thankfully surprised. I was like, thank you God कि Karan does his brush in the morning, and he was as regimented as I was.
Yeah.
So there were a lot of these times which made me realize that, oh, thank God, Karan and I are now really getting to know each other.
Yeah.
So very good that we did not get married
Yeah, absolutely.
on 26 November 2015. And now that Karan was taking out the topic at Gayatri's wedding, that I will reinitiate wedding talks with my family, I was like, nope, not happening. I don't want that.
Yeah.
And if it is to happen, then there are various other things that I need. I cannot reconciliate this problem and imagine कि सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा.
Absolutely.
अभी तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा मेरे दिमाग में. तो मुझे ये बात आगे लेके नहीं जानी है शादी की. और अगर लेके भी जानी है तो you need to think about the fact that maybe we need to get distance from the family, because I have always lived by myself, and I realized that, which is why I was able to draw that boundary with my family,
Correct.
with my parents,
Hmm.
and they were able to take me
Hmm.
as an adult.
Correct. Correct.
Like they used to treat me as an equal adult in the family issues or family problems, and I was asked for solution, asked for my opinions.
Absolutely.
Whereas Karan had never lived out of his house.
Yeah. Yeah.
So he was still the kid,
Yeah.
and he was the younger son.
Yeah.
So he was still the kid who was like कि अरे तुम्हें क्या पता है दुनियादारी के बारे में, टिफिन तो तुमको रोज हम ही देते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, so the opinion did not matter as an equal adult. It was always like they know better, like parents know better, unless and until, and it's a very important thing to do in life, that you move out of your parents' house and live by yourself.
Yeah.
That is when you realize what you are as a person in
Absolutely.
life, and what do you want in life.
Yeah. So what Shoki is telling right now, I can completely get her, because this was one of the reason, and very strong reason, that even after taking the responsibility, whatever I was doing for my family, being the man of the family, I was not able to, open up, and I was kept as, कि तुमको क्या पता है, right? What do you kind of know of the overall life in general? You don't know about what is supposed to happen, what is not supposed to happen in life. Like really, I was treated as that. You don't know the dynamics of what things are working, and in my brain, I was also somewhere down the line okay with it, and I was completely okay with whatever my family was telling or my mom was saying, that this is how it functions, this is how the world is functioning, because you see and you kind of develop yourself in such a way that जो भी हो रहा है वो वैसे ही होता है दुनिया में, शायद से यही दुनियादारी है. This is how the world functions. So for me it was a very different way of looking at life, and for her it was a very different way of looking at life. And in that, one beautiful thing happened is that we started living our own life. So Shoki, though whatever happened, that we had the gala time after that, and I still am so thankful that Show was not ready to discuss anything about the family, because 2015 and was the time. It started after Gayatri's wedding. We came, and then we were both different personalities. We started understanding each other, and we started going out. We had some money, and we were saving some money.
And I think we had the most fun during that time, because
and then, if I'm not wrong, you were out of sabbatical at that point of time.
I had joined my next job. I was writing my films finally. So I had graduated from TV to films, feature films, and I was doing very well in my job. And like my film was supposed to be, first film was supposed to be an Indo-China collaboration, and it was a big deal for me, because I was getting trained with some top people in the industry. So I was very happy, and I had never thought that I would be such a great writer and storyteller, but I really blossomed in that particular place.
Correct.
So it was a very good time for me in life overall. I was the happiest, because I was in denial about Shadi. I did not want to go there, and I was in a good place in the relationship with Karan, because I was clear about things. And so was Karan.
Correct.
But the only difference was that I did not want to talk about Shadi, and Karan wanted to reinitiate Shadi conversations.
So हमारा एक टाइम था जब भी बेसिकली हम सारी ट्रिप्स मार रहे थे, करेक्ट? एंड इन दैट ट्रिप्स वी वर आल्सो अटेंडिंग मैरिजेस. लाइक हमने राधिका की भी शादी अटेंड करी, एंड इन दैट फेज ऑफ आवर लाइफ वी वर एक्चुअली ट्रैवलिंग, going to different places, going to vacations, exploring places. But one of the things show that you can remember that we were not exploring our own self, and we were not being true to ourselves.
I won't say that we were not exploring. I think we were actually just avoiding the hard conversations. We were actually truly being ourselves during these times. क्योंकि हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात नहीं कर रहे थे, क्योंकि हम शादी की बात नहीं कर रहे थे, हम एक्चुअली खुश थे आपस में.
हाँ,
We
but-
were not involving the heavy conversations. We were just like living life as it comes. I was, after whatever had happened, I was able to be a little more in I would say not defensive, but I was in the zone की हो गया भाई मेरा अभी, मतलब मेरे को और एफर्ट नहीं मारने का है to get married or to be this good girl and stuff like that. So it was an internal battle that I was fighting with myself कि मेरा नया जॉब था, मेरी नई लाइफ थी, नए दोस्त थे, एंड आई थिंक हमारी रिलेशनशिप भी चेंज हो गई थी.
Yeah, there was
In
this
a way.
whole undercurrent as we were talking about going on. हम लोगों को कम्युनिकेट करना होता था, बट इतने रायते फैले थे और हम इतने अंदर से हर्ट हो चुके थे that somewhere down the line we were not able to communicate what we actually want, and we were avoiding those hard talks in our relationship when such kind of things happen where the trust is broken. It's really hard to get back to the routine where your partner again trusts you and have that kind of communication. So that was a really hard phase of our life. I remember this talking to you when we were at Radhika's wedding, Radhika's and
So
Saksana's
it was
wedding.
so ironic that हम 2015 नवंबर में हमारी शादी होने वाली थी, लेकिन 2015 दिसंबर में, 2016 मार्च में सबकी, मेरे सारे दोस्तों की आसपास शादियां हुए जा रही थी और हम दूसरों की शादियां अटेंड कर रहे थे, लेकिन अपनी शादी के बारे में हम फुल डिनायल में थे. मतलब हम शादी का शो भी नहीं बोलते थे, एक दूसरे को देख के इधर उधर ला 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 ला, इधर उधर देखो हो जाते थे. और राधिका की शादी में शी वाज सो इंसिस्टेंट, उसने मेरे को लिटरली बिठा के ऐसे अपना कलीरा तोड़ के मेरे सर पे डाल दिया था कि अब तो तेरी होके रहेगी, तेरी और करण की शादी तो होके रहेगी. एंड दे वर सो, Radhika is my bestest friend from the job that I was doing at the time. She's a great writer, and she finally taught me also a lot about how to write, how to narrate, how to tell stories. And we hit it off. Like मेरा birthday 13th of May को आता है, उसका 18th को आता है. We are just like, we were so close and we were so similar. इतना छपरी डांस करते थे हम मिलके,
Guys, they
गोविंदा
are-
डांस करते थे.
Trust me on this, जब ये लोग मिले थे, I was also like sort of surprised, and I'm still surprised. And Radhika का के जो husband है सक्सेना साहब, he's also quite amazed. When these both guys meet, they have this energy which basically it's I can call it that Bollywood energy of Govinda. मतलब you should see them dance sometime. They are like, आप मूवी देखो और इन दोनों को देखो नाचते हुए, दे
हम
विल
copy
बी
paste
एग्जैक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट ऑफ गोविंदा डांस एंड चपरी डांस, व्हाटएवर यू नेम, एनी सॉन्ग. लाइक आई नो द सॉन्ग्स गोविंदा, वो कौन सा है, मैं रास्ते से जा रहा था, टू टन टना टन 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 टारा, और उसने सुहाना. Oh my God, they dance like crazy. They can dance non-stop for 2.5 hours, going back, and I have seen the energy both of these guys have.
I miss Radhe. I miss you, Radhe, if you're listening. But yes, so we had a lot of fun, and during that whole fun, Radhe used to always see, कि at the end of the day, you and Karan have so much love. So पूरी दुनिया को दिख रहा था. Like अंकल आंटी के पास हम banyan tree गए तो उनको भी दिख रहा था, और गायत्री की वेडिंग में गायत्री के अलावा उसकी सारी दोस्तों को दिख रहा था. Like they were all of them trying to root for us कि अरे when are you guys getting married, next you guys are getting married, we'll come to you. And हम लोग ऐसे हो रहे थे कि अरे हमारी शादी की बात नहीं हो रही, किसी और की शादी हो रही है यहाँ पे, हमारी शादी की बात मत करो. So it was so weird phase of our life that हमने सब कुछ brush it under the carpet कर रहे थे. Speaking of brushing under the carpet, I also wanted to ask you, Karan, to tell me what had happened at your end, like at your home, because इतना बड़ा रायता तो हम दोनों की लाइफ में फैला था, राइट? तो मैं तो फिर भी अपने घर से दूर रह रही थी. Like I was living with Roshni, so there was no constant confronting my father or father meeting me and asking me कि क्या हो रहा है तुम लोग के बीच में एंड ऑल दैट. हम लोग का मतलब मैं तो काफी नॉर्मल लाइफ जी पा रही थी.
करेक्ट.
बट यू वर एक्चुअली लिविंग विथ the family who would have had multiple questions about our relationship, or who would have had some remorse or some sadness or some kind of pressure about your marriage, or like how was it? I want you to explain.
So what happened at that point of time is I confronted my mom that why did you talk to Shoki about the dowry thing that we have spoken about, and she clearly gave me a message कि मैंने बोला तो क्या हुआ, and it was
तो accept कर लिया.
नहीं एक्सेप्ट मतलब मैं नहीं बोलूँगा एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, करेक्ट, बट वो ये था कि यू नो अभी अगर शोकी के डैड आए मिलने के लिए और शोकी आई मिलने के लिए, एंड शोकीज डैड ओनली टोल्ड दैट कि ये डिस्कशन होनी चाहिए, आप जो भी बात करनी है आप शोकी के साथ बात करो. शी वॉज ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट मैंने बोला तो क्या हो गया, अगर पूछ लिया तो क्या हो गया. बट माई थिंग वॉज वेरी सिंपल दैट it is something which I had informed her not to talk about. Whatever needs to be done will be managed by me. And the worst thing is that, you know, from an emotional part, I somewhere down the line was really hurt, and I did not talk to her for 2 months. And one of the biggest reason was that मेरी शादी टूटी थी, and that emotional void that I was going through, because this is a big thing for me, because overall if I look at it, it was me who had saved the money, who wanted to get married on my own terms. And firstly I wanted to get married on a court marriage, but then when I started doing, मैंने ये भी ध्यान रखा था कि चल ठीक है धूमधाम से शादी करते हैं, you know, शादी है, लड़का हूँ, पहली शादी, मतलब नॉट पहली शादी, बट यू नो इट्स द फर्स्ट मेल हु इज गेटिंग मैरिड एट होम. तो मैंने वो भी सोचा था कि अच्छा ठीक है, माई मॉम विल बी हैप्पी, बट फ्रॉम द हैप्पीनेस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई वुड वांट टू पॉइंट आउट दिस थिंग दैट शी नेवर टुक दैट यू नो स्टेप टू गो एंड टॉक टू यू कि शादी टूटी है, यू नो दैट इमोशनल बर्डन. आई स्टिल हैव दिस थिंग दैट कि व्हाई कुड नॉट शी डू दैट थिंग विथ मी, कि जाके तुमसे बात करो, गलती हो गई, सॉरी बोले, you know, to mend the relationship from both parties, because she was talking to you also, she was talking to me also, correct? As a elder, as a parent, she could have done very small thing by just saying sorry and taking the new step, but that did not happen. It just went into the void.
So somewhere you were kind of hoping कि अगर एक बच्चा किसी तरीके से हर्ट हो जाता है तो आप ये चाहते हो कि माँ बाप उस हर्ट को ठीक कर दे, या माँ बाप कुछ करें कि वो हर्ट कम हो जाए.
Absolutely, yes. True.
लेकिन यहाँ पे वो
कभी हुआ ही नहीं और
एक्नॉलेज भी नहीं किया गया.
Yeah.
तुमने बात नहीं करी तो मैंने भी बात नहीं करी, और टाइम निकलता गया और इधर उधर नॉर्मलाइज हो गई सारी
चीजें.
So must have been a very heavy time for you to spend at home.
Yeah, it was a very heavy time to spend at home, because आप घर जा रहे हो, ठीक है, and you're just getting up in the morning, doing your normal routine, getting up, breakfast also been kept on the table, no conversation, getting up morning, there's zero conversation at home. ऑफिस से आते हो, आपका खाना पड़ा है टेबल पे, आप खाना खा रहे हो, आपको आना है तो आओ, नहीं आना है तो नहीं आओ. There was no calls कि किधर है, क्या है, कैसा है. So this went on for 2 months almost, but there was no solution. And after that, बस पूरा बोलते ना कि जो रात गई बात गई वाला हिसाब किताब.
और उसके बाद फिर you also became normal and everything. Like फिर मतलब literally जो इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है उस बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं,
कभी जिक्र नहीं हुआ ना उसकी. उनको लगा कि यार ठीक है, ये इसको समझ नहीं आता है. लाइक आई हैव वी आर आल्सो डिस्कस्ड राइट दैट फॉर माय मॉम इट वाज लाइक यू नो ये तो इसको तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, ये तो जैसे मैंने पहले वाले एपिसोड्स में भी बोला है, करेक्ट, दैट यू नो ये तो अभी दुनियादारी की समझ में नहीं आती है, ये नहीं समझ में आता है. wherein I was completely taking care of my you know family expenses. I was trying to you know figure out that how can I get out of the debt that my family has, how can I make my life better, how can I give them a good life. That was a very hard period for me, and it was, as you rightly said, that एक बच्चे को क्या चाहिए होता है, that कि अगर वो बच्चा गलती करेगा तो उसको तुम सिखाओगे, बट यहाँ पे मेरी गलती नहीं थी, गलती उनकी थी। मैं सिखा रहा था कि यार आपको सॉरी बोलना चाहिए। आई मीन मैं सिखा नहीं रहा था, बट आई वाज जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट दे शुड से सॉरी, बट दैट डिड नॉट हैपन।
even no sorry happened to you.
या नो सॉरी हैपन टू मी, बट उनके हिसाब से इट वाज जस्ट, और ये इनके हिसाब से तो वो था ना कि यार शादी में ये सारी चीजें तो होती है। सो इस कहानी से हमें क्या शिक्षा मिलती है शो, जरा बताइए।
सबसे पहले तो ये शिक्षा मिलती है कि भाइयों, डिनाइल बहुत ही खतरनाक चीज होती है।
या
डिनाइल में नहीं जीना चाहिए, हमें एड्रेस करना चाहिए जो इशू है वो उस टाइम पे बात करो, डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्सेशंस करो, अवॉइड करके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। मतलब हम जितना टाइम बिताते जाएंगे उसको अवॉइड करते करते वो चीज़ बहुत दूर हो जाती है, छोटी हो जाती है, भुलाई जा सकती है, लेकिन वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं खत्म होती है। वो प्रॉब्लम कीप्स कमिंग बैक in one or the other way until and unless you acknowledge it, you talk about it, and you find a solution out of it.
one more thing to what you are trying to tell me is that so that we were in that happy phase and we never wanted to spoil that happy phase of our life. उस चक्कर में भी हम कहीं ना कहीं वो हार्ड कन्वर्सेशन नहीं करना चाहते थे, एंड लार्जली व्हेन वी आर इन दैट रिलेशनशिप फेज वेयर एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग ओके, वी आर फीलिंग हैप्पी, वी ट्राई टू लार्जली अवॉइड डूइंग द हार्ड कन्वर्सेशंस. सो माई लर्निंग वॉज दैट अगर हम वो हैप्पीनेस को साइड में रख के एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करते उस समय, तो थिंग्स कुड हैव बीन बेटर. दैट वाज वन ऑफ माय लर्निंग्स फ्रॉम दैट.
Yeah, I think we can call it a honeymoon phase.
Yeah.
जिसमें हम जी रहे थे, जिसमें हम ऐसे सोच रहे थे कि like if we don't acknowledge this problem, the problem will not be there.
Yeah.
And secondly, I would also like to say that how what I just mentioned with Karan, right? Ki this is for all the parents out there, that please start treating your kids as adults,
Yeah.
as equal adults, like how I was treated in my home, that my dad understood कि अगर ये मेरी बेटी इतना पैसा कमा के घर पे ला रही है, घर संभाल रही है, घर चला रही है, तो उसमें इतनी समझ है या इतना मैच्योरिटी है कि वो अपनी लाइफ के डिसीजंस खुद ले सके, अपना लाइफ पार्टनर खुद चुन सके, अपनी लाइफ अपने हिसाब से जी सके. Whereas
In my family it was completely opposite. Like मैं सब कुछ कर रहा था. I was financially independent. I was taking care of my house. I was in fact doing whatever best I could. Like हम दोनों ने साथ में मिलके इतना बड़ा decision लिया था that we will come out of the Marwadi loan. That could have been the cue from my family that this guy has become a bigger person right now. He's understanding how to take care of the finances. But that equal right was never given to me in my family, and that is the biggest problem that most of the Indian families have today, that they don't understand their kids as equal. They still feel that ये बच्चा है, इसने दुनिया नहीं देखी है, भले पैसे ही कमा रहा है, बट अभी तक इसने जीना नहीं सीखा है. That is the
that is the biggest generational gap.
Yeah.
And nothing else. They need to realize that कितनी सारी चीजें बदल चुकी है अब दुनिया में, according to what it used to happen back then in their world, in their दुनिया.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I think the last and the most important learning is again about how dysfunctionality plays in a household.
Yeah.
Right? कि इतनी बड़ी बात हो जाती है कि लड़के की शादी टूट गई है.
Yeah.
और तुम्हारी वजह से टूटी है या पेरेंट्स की वजह से टूटी है, और पेरेंट्स ही उस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहते.
हाँ, that is very funny. I mean, ये largely Indian household में होता है शो. मैंने ये देखा है that parents when they grow up, right, what they have gone through in their own life, that trauma that they have seen, they try to believe that that is the actual truth of their life and that is how the world functions, and that's what creates dysfunctionality in families, because they are actually not understanding that times have changed in their life and they will have to work as a friend with their kids and always mend the shoulder to shoulder thing and go and walk in life. Today's generation, it's all about walking by hand by the shoulder. That's what is required.
I would also say it's not today's generation, right? Like today's generation is much younger than us.
Yeah.
We are the millennials.
Yeah.
So mostly millennials have this issue with their boomer parents.
Yeah.
That उनको समझाना पड़ता है, and boomer parents have this extreme control,
हाँ.
right? मतलब जैसे मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे कंट्रोल किया हुआ था कि मैंने पहली ट्रिप तुम्हारे साथ गोवा की है.
Yeah.
तो इट वाज लाइक कि मैं वो नहीं जा सकती, मैं पिक्चर देखने नहीं जा सकती, मैं दोस्तों के साथ घूमने नहीं जा सकती, जो भी करना है शादी के बाद करना.
Absolutely.
That is what मम्मी ने बोला था सारी लड़कियों को मेरी एज की, right? And what was told to you was not in terms of control, क्योंकि लड़कों को allowed होता है ये सारी चीजें करना. But then when it comes to लड़के choosing a life partner, then that is the biggest control point for all family members कि अब ये कैसे हो सकता है, हम चूज करेंगे, बहू तो हम चूज करके लेके आएंगे, और गलती से अगर उसकी पसंद की कोई आ गई तो फिर इतने सारे इशू हो गए जो हो रहे थे हमारी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी. सो या आई थिंक बहुत शिक्षा दी थी, बहुत
ज्यादा शिक्षा ज्ञान बांध लिया. 3 शिक्षा है. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी गुड फ्रॉम आवर साइड
इन वन छोटा सा एपिसोड.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for listening to us. We are really glad that we are able to share our heart out at this point of time, and you guys are supporting us so much by listening to it, and we are really enjoying the part of reliving this journey. I mean, it's just coming from my heart because after a long time, I can see that what has went wrong in my life and how it could have been better.
Yeah.
So yes, thank you guys. This is all because of you, giving you a big shout out and love from Karan and Shoki. Please do like, share and subscribe to Happily Whatever After Pod.
Thank you so much for giving us your time every week, finding out Saturday morning or Sunday morning, whenever, finding out your dose of drama in our episodes, giving us so much love, giving us so many beautiful feedbacks. Thank you so much is all I can say. Grateful to have all of you, and we will see you next week with another episode with some more drama. And we are on all social media platforms under Happily Whatever After Pod.
Thank you. See you guys.